So Toyin posted a picture on her page and she asked people to guess who the person is. Since I've been receiving tags, this is Lizzy J now. Can't you see the person is very slim? This is Lizzy now. Can't you see the tiny legs? Can't you see the toothpick legs? So once somebody is slim, now it has to be Lizzy J. No, once somebody is slim, it has to be Lizzy J. See, this finish that you people that you are doing with me on this app is getting too much. And guess what? My shock gbogbo. Just give me 1 week. If I do not, Timmy ba sanrawa, call me a custard. Timmy oba, yeah. Odumio, but Timmy oba sanrawa in just 1 week, call me custard. And I'm waiting for just one more person to tag me on that picture. Just one more person. Everybody. Tebangbo, Ekpaya, Ekpomo, Efi Babale. And one are laying to Basile Galo, just one arrest going. One mafia cough one fi dispatches. What's all that now? What's all that? Am I the only same person you know? One more person to just tag me on that picture. Everybody to bad people here. What's? I don't like it though. I'm not the only slim person you know. And these tiny legs that you are talking about, share my leg is as tiny as Antoni's legs. Have you seen Antoni's legs? Have you seen her legs? Antoni, sorry, Jay, I might be no, but I don't like it though.
tó ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa ẹ mà ti gbọ́ nǹkan tí arábìnrin tí wà nínú fídíò yìí tí gbogbo wa mọ̀ sí Lizzy J. ẹ ti gbọ́ àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ tí ó sọ sí Toyin Abraham. ẹ ti gbọ́ bí ó ṣe fi ẹ̀hónú rẹ̀ hàn. ẹ ti gbọ́ bí ó ṣe sọ̀rọ̀ pẹ̀lú ara kíkan. ẹ ti gbọ́ bí ó ṣe sọ wípé àwọn èèyàn bú òun wípé ẹsẹ̀ òun ti rín wípé òun gbẹ. ẹ̀yin èèyàn àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ yìí mà wá gbẹ́nu tán o. ẹ ṣáà ti gbọ́ bí Lizzy J bí ó ṣe bínú sọ ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ ọ̀rọ̀ èyí tí ó dùn síta nínú fídíò yìí.